This is a review of the New York style t-shirt that we're going to be doing a in-depth review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this review, we are going to go more in depth and show you guys everything about this t-shirt. So without going any further, let's go more in depth and show you guys more about it. Okay, so here's an in-depth tour about this New York t-shirt, and one thing I love about this t-shirt is that this is in an apricot color. This is a size medium. I'm about 5 feet 10 inches and 165 pounds, and then you can see there's enough room right over here, It's really spacious, this t-shirt. And one thing I also love is that it represents New York as well too. So if you love New York, I would definitely recommend this t-shirt right over here. But what we're gonna do now is we are going to show you guys a front and back view of this t-shirt. And just like that, I would definitely recommend this t-shirt. You compare it with the chain, you compare it with the hat, and you can also wear this for as a casual fit as well. So if you're looking for a t-shirt that you love New York and you want to represent it, then this t-shirt right over here is by far one of the best t-shirts to get. And I would definitely recommend this New York t-shirt.